The world record is broken with a Shiba Inu coin. It's out of control. Shiba Inu, dubbed the Deutsche Coin Killer, is a meme currency that has received a lot of social media attention. The foundation of Shiba Inu is Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency in the world after Bitcoin. In August 2020, Ryoshi, a human or thing, anonymously built it. It just takes a few minutes to launch one coin on an active blockchain. This video will discuss how a Shiba Inu coin broke a world record while going bonkers. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. Analysts predict that the price of Shiba Inus will rise during the next several years. By the end of 2023, the price of Shiba Inu is expected to increase and reach $0.03, which is 8 times the price today. The all-time high for a Shiba Inu was more than $80. Analysts, however, are not overly optimistic about Shiba Inu's future prospects. Shiba Inu are expected to cost an average of $0.728 in 2025. Last year, the Shiba Inu pricing dynamics were out of control. May saw a rapid rise in the value of the SHIB currency. It was unable in maintaining its position, though, but when June arrived, the coin was once more in the news. By 2030, cryptocurrencies will be widely accepted and used across all sectors of the economy. One of the most well-known and now most regularly used cryptocurrency is Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is likely to put a test on how long it has been in production, given the constant decline in supplies. As a result, Shiba Inu would be firmly established as one of the most successful cryptocurrencies ever created. In a choppy market, small investors will find high-quality but affordable cryptocurrencies like Shiba Inu more alluring than ever. Additionally, a far wider agreement that cryptocurrencies are here to stay will emerge. This will probably significantly increase the demand for SHIB. It is the one aspect most important to whether Shiba Inu reaches $1 by 2030. SHIB might trade for $1 or so after the cryptocurrency market is completely developed in 2030 and the majority of the get-rich-quick frenzy has died down. This is just speculation going into the course. Shiba Inu may hit $1 considerably early or may never achieve it. Playing the long game and putting some skin in the game is the only way to learn. Nobody could have predicted that Bitcoin would be worth $60,000 when it was trading at pennies a decade afterwards, but those who made consistent purchases and hung onto them are today multimillionaires and billionaires. Others, on the other hand, predict that it will trade for at least $0.24 and maybe as high as $0.29. As a result, in 2030, you can anticipate the SHIB's price to be roughly $0.24. Despite having a large community, the token's future performance will likely be constrained by its lack of usefulness and competitive advantages, according to project detractors. Unless the project achieves 3 important developments, the successful launch of Shibarium Metaverse and massive coin burn, experts are not confident that the shitcoin can reach $1 by 2025. Shibarium will, however, make quick and inexpensive transactions possible, enhancing blockchain-based games. The Shiba Inu ecosystem's rising utilization will be largely dependent on transaction costs. Over the past 3 weeks, as buyers tried to change the negative narrative, Shiba Inu eventually turned its long-term trend line from support to resistance. Recently, the $0.984 support sparked a buying surge, but the buyers were unable to take advantage right away. In the near future, purchasing activities may be aided by a protracted swing over the current pattern. On the daily charts, a bearish pennant setup was made possible by SHIB's liftoff from the $0.44 level over the past month. But the 20 EMA and the 50 EMA persisted in acting as obstacles to recovery and as a catalyst for a reversal. SHIB was once again on a negative track after this reversal caused a patterned breakthrough. This drop involved a down channel in the interim. While the 2050 EMAs were in the red, sellers would continue to have the upper hand in the short run. A bounce back from the $984 support level at zero would result in a possible break above the pattern. In this instance, the zero can jeopardize the purchasing attempts. If the token closes immediately or eventually above this range, it may see a much-needed upswing. Under these conditions, the SHIB can experience a bearish invalidation and test the $0011 zone. The lower trend line of the down channel can be retested if the price declines below the immediate support, on the other hand. The movement of money in China, although its larger troves over the last several chimed with the increased purchasing demand, CMA's rise above the zero level did, as deviated bearishly from the price movement. However, a sustained position above the midline may support the bullish thesis. The open interest for all SHIB futures fell by over 5.22% over the previous day, according to an examination of the data. In accordance, the price movement during that time showed a spike of over 3%. This interpretation implied a positive trend for the near future. Any break above the present pattern might set up the token for a bull run should the buyers take advantage of this. Additionally, the alt and Bitcoin had a 43% 30-day connection. Therefore, monitoring Bitcoin's movement in relation to the mood of the market as a whole may be crucial to spotting any negative invalidations. A tweet from Vitalik Buterin last week sparked the creation and rapid expansion of the system that would compete with meme coin Shiba Inu. However, some ardent SHIB backers kept supporting the cryptocurrency without any intentions of changing their opinions. David Gokhshtein, a well-known Bitcoin influencer and the founder of Gokhshtein Media, shown his reluctance to take on the Shiba Inu rival. Instead, he strengthened his stance in favor of the meme coin SHIB. He pledged his steadfast support for Shiba Inu and declared that he will continue to use the cryptocurrency with a canine motive. In addition, he said, he had no interest in the alleged SHIB murderer. A coin, he wrote, "I'm staying with SHIB. I'm not at all interested in they." However, this does not imply that Mr. Gokhshtein has no interest in any other meme coin now available. Give me a meme currency that has a real roadmap use case and even a functional product, he writes in one of his other tweets. Currently, I'm wanting to invest $1,000 somewhere. The next SHIB, please. Additionally, Gokhshtein has already publicly supported the SHIB cryptocurrency. The meme coin aficionado has repeatedly expressed his forecasts for SHIB in the past. Gokhshtein predicted earlier this month on Twitter that the next bull run for the Inu breed will feature a parabolic surge. Prior to that, he regretted not betting all on Shiba Inu while purchasing a meme coin. He stated, "I should have just gone all in on SHIB when it came to meme tokens." Vitalik Buterin, the creator of Ethereum, poked fun at emerging cryptocurrency ventures last week by saying that protocols frequently utilized to achieve market momentum. He humorously suggested that a project called the Protocol should be started. A few days later, an ERC20 protocol called the Protocol was created. Meme coin was conceived by taking a page out of the Shiba Inu playbook and was dubbed as the next SHIB killer by many. Additionally, 100 million meme coins, or 10% of the total supply, were given to Buterin by the protocol. The value of the immediately increased by 1,000% the next day after its establishment. But since then, a lot of its value has been lost. Shiba Inu remains steadfast despite the protocol as a SHIB killer's launch having briefly increased interest in meme coin. Interesting changes have recently occurred in the Shiba Inu ecology. Shiba Inu just surpassed Polygon to take second place on the Web3 security ranking. However, customers may utilize SHIB Bitcoin to pay for their Netflix and Amazon subscriptions using the Canadian-based crypto payment gateway FCF Pay. Shiba Inu meme currency burning has accelerated by 14.94% during the past 24 hours, according to the SHIB burn tracking portal. Compared to the 2,833,917 SHIB that were burnt the day before, a total of 45,265,082 were torched. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.